Welcome back everyone to the Diamond Express Diamond Painting Studio. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Normally we do unboxings of diamond paintings and show diamond painting tips and techniques. But today we're going to branch out a little bit and do an unboxing of a craft product that we bought. This is from Craft Crush, and it is a bracelet package. So we're going to unbox this and see what's inside. Unboxing Craft Crush Bracelet Box, and this color is neutrals. Now, I've already opened this box because I needed to get something else out of it, but this is what Craft Crush Bracelet Box came in, this Amazon box. And it's packed just like this with another item in it. And it comes in this box inside. So this looks pretty nice. Okay, nice. And it says it comes with 67 plastic beads, 37 wood beads, cord, 1-piece faux leather, 2 yards elastic cord, 12 inches fold over elastic, 5.9 yards of polyester thread, 2.75 yards of cotton thread, 1 yard of clear elastic, 11 metal rings, 1 wire threader, and instructions. Okay, let's see. Oops. No tape, so it should just open right up, right? Should just open. Oh, there is a piece of tape. Okay. If we cut like this, I think we'll be okay. When in doubt, pull out the scissors, right? Alright. Oh, there it is. Now this is going to be some sort of tray. Right, all glued. I'll put that box over there. There's our instructions, and here's all our pieces right here. So it's got an instruction manual. It's got the different bracelets you can make. Nice. One, how to do each one of the bracelets. There's 2. Oh, this is really cool. It's really cool. Okay. So let's open up this package right here, see what's inside. So that looks like, oops, I'm sorry. That's like faux leather. That will go around and hook in like that. Okay. There's some of your string. There's all your, oh, look at that Craft Crush, and it's got each one tied up. That's nice. There's some of your string and your wire, or your plastic and your wire. Okay. Here's your beads. Here's your cord. Your cloth that you can. It's stretchy. That's nice. There's your beads. And there's some string. So it's exactly what they said. They give you enough to make I think 8 bracelets. And bracelet number 8, yeah. And they tell you how each one's going to look. It's kind of neat. So bracelet 1 is going to be that, 2, 3, 7 with a little stone, 8 is twisted up, and then that's really nice. Okay. Hey, so I think this is a good craft. This will give you plenty of time to sit down, and the materials look pretty nice. They feel nice. I would recommend this. 8 bracelets. Here's what they look like when they're done. Right here. I ordered this on April 10th. Okay, and I received it on April 15th. So it took 5 days to get here, and it cost $14.62. But I think this is a really cool craft. For $14, and for $14.62, 5 days for delivery, I definitely give this one 2 thumbs up. Good job, Craft Crush, with your bracelet box kit. Looks pretty cool, and I think those look really cool. So if you're looking for a gift to give to somebody who likes crafts and likes bracelets and cool bracelets, this would be a good, very inexpensive gift, and a simple one for anyone to do. All right, thank you.